Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are very fine and sane. So today I am here with a wonderful video, and in this video I will explain a wonderful topic. This topic is related to everyone's life. So don't try to escape the video. It's my humble request to all of you. So if I will talk about my topic, then my topic is hesitation while English speaking. I repeat again, hesitation while English speaking. So this topic is very critical. I have already faced this problem starting the phase of my speaking English. That time I travel many times. Then I decided I what is the reason behind it and how to solve um, this problem. Then I on the time to till now I feel very comfortable during speaking English. So today I think that I should have to make a video on this topic. So let's start the video, and in this video I will explain about what's the reason and how to solve this problem. I mean how to solve hesitation while English speaking. So start the video. My first topic is don't try to be perfect. We always now in the starting phase we always try to be perfect. We always try to think, and we always focus on grammatical structures and many tough words which always distract us. It always divert us. So don't try to be perfect. We should always try to use simple words, simple sentences during speaking English in the starting phase of our life. When you will have idea about how to speak, then you can use normal to hard words in your daily lives, and in your speaking you can enhance your visualization power during speaking. But it will be possible when you have proper knowledge about how to speak in English. So first of all, don't try to be perfect. We don't have focus on perfection. Our mind always focus on perfection, and when we focus on perfection, that time we always make many type of mistakes. So our second topic is hesitation of making mistakes. We always fear from making mistakes. We should always understand that it is the part of our learning. Without making a mistake, how can we do a good work? Without make any type of mistakes, we can't do any work. So we should always try to understand this thing. We always when we speak in front of any person, that time we realize that I am making mistakes. Yeah, we know that we are making mistakes, but we always think that if I will make any type of mistake, then a person who is standing in front of me, yeah, among all of us, then he will laugh on ourselves. So don't think about it. He will laugh, maybe. Maybe it may be possible, but uh, it may be possible that he will scold you. So don't worry, don't try to hesitate. We should always focus and concentrate on our target. We should our target is to speak more and more words. If he will laugh, then normal thing. We don't try to make hesitation. So our third reason is we are introvert in English. Yeah, I know that you are extrovert, but you are introvert in English speaking. So if you want to become a good speaker, then firstly you will have to cross the limit of speaking. When you will cross the limit of speaking, then you will become a extrovert. An extrovert, then it will be a easy work for your learning and speaking English. So my request to you, try to become an extrovert. It will help you in speaking. So our fourth reason is we have lack of environment around us, and we don't have a good partner. So firstly, we should find out a person who is just like you in speaking. Then when we will talk with him, our mind always compare with another person's. Then we will compare with him, and we can understand properly his language and his conversation. We can conversation with him. So it will be very easy work to understand and speak. So both are major things. Listening is most necessary. Without listening, we can't speak. So when we will choose a right partner, then we can share our ideas and thoughts with that person easily. So these are the reasons. And last one is it's not our native language. I'm from Bihar and Bhojpuri is my native language. It may be possible I can speak Hindi very well, but it is not matter because English is another language. And if we will talk about English, then some of person in my village who can understand very well English, but in some person who will speak in English, so who can speak in English due to some reason, because there is not an end type of environment. When you will speak in English, then many person who will speak that he's just like a person, um, he doesn't have idea, he's just showing his personality, and he's just showing off. So this type of sentences will listen to you. Then don't try to make or make sorry, so don't try to focus on negative sense. You should try to create in an environment which help you. Okay. And so that's all in this video. I will come with another video. Thank you.